Listen up, because what I'm about to tell you is the only thing standing between you and a highway catastrophe. There are over 33,000 tire-related crashes every single year. That means, contrary to what that bored sales guy at the big box store told you, tire brands actually matter. Making the right choice isn't just about saving a few bucks. At the register, it's about saving your life when you're doing 80 in a rainstorm. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the top 11 tire brands in the world. And at the end, I'm revealing 3 popular names you should avoid. Like a check engine light on a used German sedan, because your life depends on it. Let's begin at number 11, Falcon. This is the company making luxury brands look like amateurs. Owned by the Japanese giant Sumitomo, Falcon was built to be the high-performance disruptor, the Lexus of the tire world. While other brands were playing it safe, Falcon was innovating heat diffuser technology. See, when you're cruising at high speeds on a scorching summer day, the friction inside your tire creates enough heat to boil water. That's when cheap tires melt and blow out. Falcon's tech keeps the sidewall cool, maintaining structural integrity when others fail. That's exactly why they're now the factory standard for the Porsche Macan and the Jeep Gladiator. They're pricey, but they're the gold standard for high-speed safety. Number 10. Cooper. This is the definition of affordable American luxury. Imagine making tires so durable that Goodyear, the biggest name in the States, bought the entire company just to get their hands on the tech. Cooper's secret weapon is the wear square. This isn't just a tread marker. It's a visual diagnostic tool molded into the rubber. It tells you the second your alignment is off or your suspension is failing. If that square is wearing unevenly, you know you have a problem before it ruins your car. I've seen Coopers roll into shops with 70,000 miles on them, sidewalls still bulletproof. If you want a tire for your truck or SUV that'll outlast your transmission, Cooper is the king of the blue-collar brands. Number 9. Yokohama. The premium underdog. While everyone else is trying to save money with synthetic blends, Yokohama is the only brand on earth using orange oil in their rubber. It sounds like a gimmick, but it's a mechanical masterstroke. Orange oil improves the molecular bond between natural and synthetic rubber, creating a compound that is tacky and sticky enough for the track, but durable enough for the street. It keeps the tires soft and flexible even in sub-zero temperatures. J.D. Power recently ranked them second in customer satisfaction, beating out names like Pirelli and Bridgestone. You get elite Japanese engineering without the marketing tax of the bigger names. Number 8. B.F. Goodrich, the Sidewall Kings. Founded in 1870, they were the first to make radial tires in North America, and they've spent a century winning the Baja 1000 and the Paris-Dakar Rally. Most tire failures happen in the sidewall because it's the thinnest, most vulnerable part of the tire. But in their KO2 line, BFG uses a bruise-resistant rubber that's nearly twice as thick as the industry standard. We're talking about tires designed to bounce off jagged rocks and renegade branches without a scratch. Plus, their self-cleaning the tread design literally ejects mud and debris as you drive to maintain maximum traction. If you have a 4x4, these aren't an option, they're a requirement. Number 7. Hankook, the global warrior. This South Korean giant is currently the world's 6th largest tire maker, and they are dominating the EV space. Electric vehicles are heavy and have instant torque, which usually shreds tires in months. But Hankook's high silica ion line was rated the best for EVs in 2026, beating out every premium European brand. They are roughly 60% cheaper than a Michelin, but the quality control is so rigorous you'd never know the difference. No wonder they're the primary supplier for BMW, Tesla, and Rivian. Number 6. Pirelli, the racing genius. Since 2011, Pirelli has been the exclusive tire partner for Formula One. All that high-end tech trickles down to your daily driver through smart polymers. These molecules actually change behavior based on the load you put on them. When you're cruising, they stay relaxed to save fuel. But when you dive into a corner like a maniac, the polymers stiffen up to give you Velcro-like grip. They grip the road like a baby holding a rattle, but be warned, they are high maintenance. They wear out fast sometimes, in under 30,000 miles, because you're trading longevity for raw, unadulterated performance. Number 5. Bridgestone, the technology leader. People complain about Bridgestone's prices, but they have the most advanced run-flat technology on the planet. Their Drive Guard system allows you to drive 50 miles with zero air pressure without losing control or ruining your rims. Most run-flats make your car ride like a shopping cart, but Bridgestone's Drive Guard maintains a luxury ride quality even when you're driving on a literal hole. Combine that with an 80,000-mile warranty, and these tires actually pay for themselves over time. Number 4. Vredestein, the premium Undertaker. Most people can't even pronounce the name, but this 116-year-old Dutch brand is a secret obsession for high-end mechanics. They don't spend billions on Super Bowl ads. They spend it on engineering and Giugiaro Italian design. Consumer Reports rank them the third best brand in the world for 2026. They are the definition of quiet luxury. Optimized sidewalls that reduce road noise and enhanced wet braking that beats out brands twice their price. Number 3. Continental, the relentless innovators. This is German engineering at its peak. Their Conti Seal technology is a sticky internal layer that instantly seals punctures up to 5 millimeters. You can hit a nail and keep driving for months without even knowing it happened. They also use yellow chili and green chili rubber mixtures that deliver ultra-high mileage on rugged terrain while keeping your cabin as quiet as a library. They aren't just making tires, they're making the sensors that talk to the tires. They are the default choice for Mercedes-Benz and Audi for a reason. Number 2. Goodyear, the master of all. Founded in 1898, they hold the record for the most wins and championships in Formula One history, and they are the heart and soul of NASCAR. Goodyear takes innovation to a level the others can't reach. They use DuPont Kevlar. That's right, the same material used in bulletproof vests to stop a 9mm round is what protects your tires. That Kevlar reinforcement gives them 35% better puncture resistance than any other brand in its class. If you live in a place with bad roads or construction zones, Goodyear is your armor. Number 1. Michelin, the undisputed champion, as if there was ever any doubt. Every single model Consumer Reports tested for 2026 got a recommended badge. They are the largest tire company in the world, and they own the patent on Evergrip technology. Most tires get dangerous as they wear down because the grooves get shallower. But as a Michelin wears, the grooves actually get wider to maintain water evacuation. It's like having a brand new tire every 10,000 miles. I've seen 7-year-old Michelins with zero dry rot or weather cracking. I trust them with my life. And you should too. Now, it's time for the May Pops, because they may pop today or they may pop tomorrow. First up, Fortune. These are budget for a reason. They are made with inferior rubber and high plastic content to keep the price down. They boast a 45,000-mile warranty, but good luck getting them to honor it. They'll always find a way to blame your driving habits for their structural failures. Don't gamble your life to save $100 at the counter. Second, Accelera. These are $60 tires that perform like $30 tires. Their wet weather performance is non-existent. As soon as the humidity hits the road, these tires turn your car into a 2-ton hockey puck. You will be fighting for your life at 30 miles per hour, and that's a fight you might lose. And the number 1 brand to avoid, Firestone. This is the overpriced gamble. Ever since Bridgestone took them over, it's been one controversy after another, from the massive Ford Explorer rollover recalls to shifting production to factories with zero quality control. At their current price point, you're paying for a name that hasn't been reliable in 20 years. You are much better off with a Cooper, a BFG, or a Falcon. Knowledge is the only tool you can't buy at a tire shop. If this list just saved you from a blowout or an $800 mistake, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. Next week, I'm breaking down the 17 tire mistakes that are secretly killing your fuel economy and trashing your suspension. Share this with one person who's looking for cheap tires. You might just save their life. Keep the shiny side up, and I'll see you in the next one.